Hi guys, so all our April 2023 and May 2023 planners exams are very near. So please make sure that you are doing regular studies, because in order to obtain success in exams, it's very important that you have to be dedicated and committed towards a subject that you are choosing. So make sure that to go through the content. If you are taking coaching, you should complete your videos, you should take your live classes and participate in discussion sessions. And it is very important to make sure that we are doing written practice of past papers. So there are many students who DM us that do we have to write all the questions in detail, especially the students who are giving higher subjects. So yes guys, it's very important to be committed towards the past papers. You should practice all the past papers in your different formats. Like from II, if you're giving, you should attempt your past papers in written format, and if you're giving from IFOA, attempt your past papers in type format. But make sure कि जितना आप कंटेंट से go through कर रहे हो, उतने ही आप past paper से go through कर रहे हो. And regular studies is something which is extremely important at this point of time. So all the planners, do plan your subjects accordingly, do plan your study hours accordingly. I know there are other commitments to handle, but yes, you should plan your day like this, that you are giving at least 2 hours on a daily basis to your subject. So that's it for this video. Thank you.